Man, a lot of people asking what happened to my long trade, and I have no idea what the hell they're talking about. Um, but I guess they mean the 2350 trade. You guys think I stayed in that shit after that stream? I closed that shit as soon as the stream was over. People on Twitter were saying the same thing. They're like, "What about your long trade?" I'm like, "What the fuck are you talking about? What long trade?" We were in it for a good time, not a long time. No, I closed that shit. My ass went right to fucking. I ate my 2 sandwiches, and it was my bedtime. You think I stayed in that shit the way things were looking? Come on now. We'll never forget 23,250. I I'm hearing a lot of delusion. I am seeing delusion. Is delusion a part of that psychology dump chart? I think it is. And whether or not that's where whatever part of that chart is, not saying that's where we are now, but if there is one word to describe what I've been seeing today, when I posted, when I tweeted just the unrealized trade, I'm seeing delusion. People are talking like there's some, like, oh, the larger time frames are, but the larger time frames are bullish, and they are not. They are not. Now there's hope there. There's what could be beginning. But I don't know what these people. I don't know what everyone's saying. These what high time frames are looking so bullish. Now, uh, for example, the momentum clip. It's the deepest wave yet, and sure, momentum's clipping right here, but the VWAP is inward. Money flow's coming down. This ain't no guarantee, not even close. Don't twist my words, bro. Don't fucking twist my words. Now, I'll tell you what I did say. The 2 day was looking good and supple, but that changed. That was the only go. That was what I thought was looking bullish. So don't try to put words in my mouth saying I was calling for this and saying, because I never, things are never that simple. And when they, I mean, things are never that simple unless we're in a little trade. Uh, and you're seeing it now. You're seeing it now. Delusion. Apparently, people are very confident. And listen, shit. Uh, uh money flows thick on some parts. 12-hour certainly is thick. So she can hang. She can hang. But this shit's giving way. Giving way. even when we were longing back here, I said I think there's one more little inner. She got one more little inner. So don't be trying to twist my words. When did I ever say though that this weekly's looking a guaranteed bullet? This is bullish as fuck. We're going to the fucking moon. The bottom is in. You never heard me say that. Just tell me where I said I thought the bottom was in. So don't be fucking saying, don't be trying to twist my shit. What I do say is I don't care. What I do say is I don't care about that far in the future. We just care about this week. Last week, we cared about last week. So just because your little panties are in a knot, don't be coming at me. Man, I was looking at when it was at, and this was before I entered the short today. It was either, I don't remember what it was. It was like this morning or something. But when it was at, let's see, 23,300. I remember it being 23,300 is when I was looking at the chart right before the dump. So it was. Let's draw a line. Like this, in this area. I think it was a little after. It was here because it was the price was 300. I was like, I wanted to short it, and I was kind of getting ready, but I didn't. Well, at the end of the day, I didn't enter the short there. And I did something else. I don't remember what I was doing, but 10 minutes or like I was doing something for like 30 minutes, and I looked back at the chart and it had its first little dump. It had this little move down to my chart's all fucked up. It had this little dump right here. And listen, what matters to me right now is this time, this future. So if this wave comes down, what we needed last week and what I said we needed was this wave, and what we still need if you're a bull for bulls, what you still need is money flow to show signs of coming back up, right? For it to be on another run. That's what we would want if we're looking for Bitcoin's price. If you want the price of Bitcoin to go higher. We were keeping our eye on the 2 hour, looking for signs for this to come back up. And it had this hitch right here, right? There was hope right here. And it had its little moves in here, but it's stuck. And on the lower time frames, when when it has the curled bottoms, this fucking thing, when it has the curled bottoms, and since 16,800, normally when you would see that similar thing, or you'd see the same thing, the price would go boom. But now the price stopped going boom. Price stopped going boom. What are you talking about? Who's paying for the Discord? Who's paying for the Discord? What are you talking about? Discord ain't a part of Market Cipher, bro. It's a benefit. What are you talking about? There's people in there every single day. Are you begging for fucking signals? It's a privilege. What are you talking about, dude? Jesus Christ. There's people there every day. We have 20, that's where our customer support is. You got 24/7 customer support in there. People in there. Anyways, I'm glad to have you in there. But if you're asking for signals and shit, I give what I want to give when I want to. It's about teaching a man how to fish, not giving a fish. And I give fish. I give fish. For the last 2 months, I've given everyone fish. I've given my Discord, the Market Cipher Discord, private fish for 7 years, 6 years. If I want to give everyone fish for 2 months, I can give everyone fish for 2 months. So, anyways, my point is proven. You see it in front of you. What? And if you're just joining us, man, when I posted on Twitter about going short, and when you see other people talking about the price of Bitcoin right now, there is this delusion that there is some type of very strong, very confident technicals or fundamentals that Bitcoin is supposed to continue to go up very strongly right now. And I don't. What are you guys seeing? So I guess that's my question. I'm not saying that in a demeaning way. So I'm asking you, what are you guys seeing that is so that is screaming that Bitcoin's going to keep going up very confidently right now? That's what I want to know. Because sincerely, I don't like I said, whenever my last, I don't know, 2 days ago, we were looking at the 2-day. That 2-day was looking very sexy. It was looking great. And that shit just got knocked down. And that's all that looked good. The 4-hour looked bad. The 2-hour looked bad. The 6-hour looked bad. The 8-hour looked bad. Everything looked bad except the 2-day. That's really all the hope we had. A slightly inward curve VWAP. This 3 days crossover momentum has been sitting there for over 3 days. Damn near 6 days. Yeah, man. And listen, hey, I'm not saying, listen. It is, anything can happen. It's possible. It's possible. Money flow can come down, come a little bit, and yippee, can come back up again. That can happen. But in this fucking trade, in this measurement, I don't care about the future price action. I only care about this week and in the next week after that. You know what I'm saying? That's it. And when money flow comes up and stuff, since 16,000 we've been getting great runs. Man, this was beautiful. We knew when I went on Joe Saz's channel. We were talking about and this was back right when the run just started. I was like, this is what a real pump. This is beautiful. These candles. This was absolutely gorgeous. And that's what it looks like when you got a run. And we got on a run. A good run. Great run. And we've been keeping a safe eye. That's why we've been timid, haven't been trading, withdrew money. We talked about that too. Said now is not the time. A lot of chop right here. You can feel it. This people are angry. There's delusion. It is totally there. It's totally there. It's totally there. For whatever reason it is for them. Maybe they got it late. Maybe they were right the whole time. Maybe they have great. Maybe they just don't know. But the delusion is strong, and there must be an illusion there because I don't see it. Like I don't. There's beginnings potentially. Like I understand the monthly momentum clip. Yes, but we don't just long off green dots. You have to look for everything else. This momentum's been down deeper than anyone before. And anyways, this trade, my guess. Well, let me show you my guess and how I kind of come to that. We draw, sometimes it's, you got to have this nice sleight of hand. So we just Bob Ross this shit. Beautiful curvature, nice tree. And we're going to assume that the wave goes like this, right? Maybe this clips, momentum comes up, right? So price, has come down, comes down. Maybe the price comes up a little bit and then it goes down more. Maybe it comes up a good amount. Maybe the price comes down, it goes, oh shit, we're at 23,300 or whatever. Hell, even back up to here. Money flow is thick on the 12-hour. It is on the daily too. This momentum is hella dropping though. So whether the price goes down hard or comes down a little, comes up, then goes down harder. Right now, man, the 6-hour, the 8-hour, the 4-hour, to me, that carries weight. That definitely carries weight, for sure. And, well, I don't know what percentage it's been. What percentage has it been so far? Like from the tippy top. So, 10% would be down 21,700. So, to me, that would be the first happy trees. One of the 10% is a number that you'd want to hold around that area. Like if the price drops 10% and drops more than that, then it's like, okay, shit's really, then you're talking about revisiting the bottom again or a new bottom or close to it. But again, I think the word of the day is delusion. And I really haven't seen any answers in the chat of why, what are they seeing? Because it's not, like I said, whether you're a market cipher person or fucking from wherever, what are you guys seeing and saying that has you like, I mean, thinking, I don't know, what has, I guess my question is, what has you so confident that's just going to keep ripping? And I haven't really gotten any answers, just the time frames. They just say the time frames. Mijito, he got erased. We forgot to save Mijito with his burrito in his twirly hat. And he twirled his hat. He went in the air. I don't even remember when he landed upside down. And we lost Mijito in the wind. Mijito is gone in the wind. Yeah, and so the moral of the story this week, and every week's important, but some are a little more important than others. Um, so we're about to have a golden cross. Yeah, is it like just about to touch, or is it touching there? You don't know if it gets rejected. That's, 50-50. You know what I'm saying? No, I've never seen Wakanda Forever. I've never seen the Black Panther movies. Although I hear they're good. Now, we are going into the week. Um, and so, yeah, shit could just pop up. I mean, shit could pop up. Sure. Starting off the week. Um, got to measure this. Happy trees. What would that? 4 days. So, yeah, even if you do the 6 hour, maybe you do the 6 hour, had this little hump, maybe you kind of average it out, maybe it comes into the red before it starts to turn. What would that be? Measure that. 8 days. Yeah, so a week. So off this trade, I'm looking for a week. Um, what's a good way to put it? It's like, it's not just delusion. It's like paranoia. It's like, I can feel, what the fuck? Is everyone here? Are we back? Um, it's not like, it's schizophrenia. It's a schizophrenia around here. Our computers are doing shit on its own. The internet's weird. That we're going into war. The Pfizer shit. Thailand princess is in a coma. That hurt my eyes too. Man, when you go from dark mode to normal mode, it's like, man, how did people look at such a white bright screen all the time? Nah, with the CME gap, nah. It depends. I mean, it depends on the gaps. There's CME gaps at $1,700. You know, where had an 8.2 earthquake? Who had an 8.2 earthquake? The 4-day money flow. Let's take a look. I don't think I've looked at that. Yeah, the 3-day crossing there. Let's see here. But there's been in confirmed bull runs, it's been okay. Like I said, that's why that 10% looking for that 10% pullback would be a test. That's what I would actually consider a real test. Not every little it's testing this, it's testing that, it's testing this, it's testing that. It's a real test. A 10% pullback is an actual test to me. That's all. Everything else is a quiz. Yeah, a little 4-day. The sweet spot that I am trading off of right now are these hourlies, man. That's what I'm trading off of now. And you take everything into consideration. But this has been decreasing. Really hasn't had its crackdown yet, and it's about that time, and it could even take longer. In fact, if you go on the daily, you talk about leading indications. That's what a real leading indicator, a real leading indications is. It's going down. It's price is still able to hold, even come up, try to fight a little bit. But the less and less money is in there. Less and less money is in there. And eventually, it gives way. And often it happens fast. This has been like a slow. I mean, there's been good drops in between. But overall, this has been pretty slow, painful, so to speak. Man, I was watching some like tsunami videos in like Japan and shit the other day too. That shit's crazy. And get my tea. I'll be right back. Okay. My new vacuum cleaner came in today. Man, if you've been around this channel, you know that me and vacuums don't really get along. And I think it's because I just somehow always get screwed. You know, I buy these stupid Dyson vacuums. I've gotten the most expensive one they had, the big, chunky, old style vacuum one that they still make. I threw that thing in the yard. I got the skinny pole one, the best skinny pole one they had. It's a piece of shit. And now I have to get another one. Well, I just got another one. All right, my coffee's ready. I'll be right back. Alrighty. So, hope everyone's having a good night. Hope everyone had a good weekend. I did clean it and maintain it, dude. I always unclog it. I take care of my things. And then like the Chinese screws and everything, you know, like screws always like strip and stuff, and like some screws will work fine, but others are like defective. Anyways, hope everyone's having a good weekend. This is a large money flow wave. This one took a little while right here. The flow of cash peaked. Yippee-yi-yo, everything was great. Started to decline. The price held. Tried going up. Price held. Got thinned out. Lost its legs. How long did that take? From ground zero to zero. 20 days. From what the price was lower at that point. From zero, you could say technically when it came up here after that 15 days. Yeah, 20 days. That one. The rest of them, it's pretty much instant. This one kept going up. Had a break. What is this? 10%? Yep. %10 will be the real test. A real test. We'll take a look at spider lines. How do I like my coffee? Just, I don't know, it depends. No sugar. Sometimes cream. Sludge. It depends. Different sometimes I like the sludge, and sometimes like a little vanilla cream. Man, you want to see, you know what I almost shorted? Wonder how it's doing. Solano. Ooh, look at the daily on Solano. This looks like an impending car crash. Look at Solano. Okay. If this was Bitcoin, man, I would be man, did you hear that fake AI with your Steel Factory? Michael Saylor? Let me pull that up. Man, I hope I can. Let me find it. Hey, let me find it. That was so funny. I commented on it, and so I know I can find it. That was so funny. I'm going to play it for you guys if you haven't heard it. Here it is. Here it is.
Over my head on the Bitcoin stuff. This has legitimately ruined my life. If I could sell it all right now, I would. But we have to wait for break even.
That's what I keep telling myself. Just wait for break even.
Look, I'm going to be completely honest here. I'm in over my head on the Bitcoin stuff. This has legitimately ruined my life. If I could sell it all right now, I would. But we have to wait for break even.
That's what I keep telling myself. Just wait for break
It
even.
sounds just
Look,
like
I'm going
him.
to be completely honest here. I'm in over my head on the Bitcoin stuff. This has legitimately ruined my life. If I could sell it all right now,
has
I
him
would.
down.
But we have to wait for break even.
That's pretty damn good. If I didn't know the AI shit was real.
Look, I'm going to be completely honest here. I'm in over my head on the Bitcoin stuff. This has legitimately ruined my life. If I could sell it all right now, I would. But we have to wait for
If I
break
could
even.
sell it,
That's
I
what I
would.
keep telling myself. Just wait for
I'm
break even.
sorry.
Look, I'm going to be completely honest here. I'm in over my head on the Bitcoin stuff. This has legitimately ruined my life. If I could sell it all right now, I would. But we have to wait for break even.
That's what I keep telling myself. Just wait for break even.
Oh my gosh. Is that not hilarious? What are you guys talking about?
Look, I'm going to be completely honest here. I'm in over my head on the Bitcoin stuff. This has legitimately ruined my life. If I could sell it
You
all
guys,
right
what
now,
do you
I
mean?
would.
It sounds just
But we have
like
to
him.
wait for break even.
That's what I keep telling myself. Just wait for break even.
Look, I'm going to be completely honest here. I'm in over my head on the Bitcoin stuff. This has legitimately ruined my life. If I could sell it all right now, I would. But we have to wait for break even.
That's what I keep telling myself. Just wait for break even.
Look, I'm going to be completely honest here. I'm in over my head on the Bitcoin stuff. This has legitimately ruined my life. If I could sell it all right now, I would.
There is
But we
no
have to wait for
video.
break even.
There is.
That's what I keep telling myself. Just wait for break even.
Look,
Okay.
I'm going to be completely.
If we did not know, especially now with all the new AI technology, I'm telling you, all the AI stuff is just firing up right now, man. We are looking. I tell you, you know what you better look out for? Is the new AI scam tokens. Ooh. Some of us who've been in the industry for a long time, we've already been through that shit. That's how most people got into crypto back in 2016. We've already been scammed by the fake AI stuff, but this is new and improved AI scam tokens. And I bet you I stay under a rock, okay? So there's probably, you guys probably already know 5 different AI scam things off the top of your head that I don't know. But if you don't, it's coming. And man, I wish I could have invested in chat GPT type stuff legitimately. But it's all going to be 99% scam. And that's going to be the new fad right now. Every year, I don't want to say twice a year, but Like every 8 months, there's the new thing. And
Look, I'm going to be completely honest here. I'm in over my head on the Bitcoin stuff. This has legitimately ruined my life. If I could sell it all right now, I would. But we have to wait for break even.
That's what
man, this is the next thing. OneCoin, was that the one with the lady, like the Indian lady? Did they ever find her? Or is she's still on the run? The Greek lady or something? Well, listen, Solano, I came close, am coming close to pulling the trigger, but I gotta be honest with you, man. It's a dangerous, that you're talking about dangerous token to trade. And in order to like make the money with it, I don't know, it's really, I just don't think it's worth the risk. But I do think it's kind of worth the risk. This is this hasn't even given way yet. I mean, this is perfect. This is even just look at it. You're telling me this isn't supposed to not come down now? We've seen this a million times. It come down. Boop, 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 doop, 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 doop. The Dixie. Man, the Dixie was ripping today. Look at the Dixie. It went from $100 to $103. That's huge. That's huge. Lot of delusion. The word of the day is illusion. Delusion. Yeah, you know, I have to, I do want to short Solano. I do. I mean, this is, I mean, man, look at it. It is just fading to the bottom. Momentum is just, same with money flow. It's curved. It's just, There's a million reasons why you want to short Solano. Why short Solano? I was on my delusion rant at the beginning of the stream. I'll rehash everything again here. I'll rehash everything again. We need to pull up spider lines. Let me pull up the Spidey. See what we got. I mean, shit, since we're going back down, hell, we don't really need to, you know. Let's see what. Yeah, I mean, if you ping some, you know, I mean, they're I don't know, they're gonna be here. What is this next one? Is this 10%? 21.7, was that not 10%? 10%. That's the test. Hold on now. Hold on now. 10% is the next spider line. Would you look at that? Do I only trade crypto to get more Bitcoin or more money? Both. Both. What is our entry here? 23,143. Wish it was 23,300. I was eyeing it when it was at 300. I went away for 15, 20 minutes. I was doing something and I glanced at the chart and this already happened. I was looking up here. I went and did something and then I came back and I was like right here. And decided to pull the trigger. Pull the trigger. So I thought she had more to go. This week, been more to go. Weather comes up and down, twirly around. Now, as far as the delusion, here, let me, I think some messages got deleted. What? Well, anyways, I could have swore there was the guy who was talking about the 2-day, the 3-day, the higher time frames. Where are these? Oh, wait. Wrong tweet. You guys are funny. 20, 22, 23.50. What was it? 23,250? Or was it 22,350? Was it 22,250? No, it was 23,250. Okay, 23. Okay, so this gentleman, I'm not going to show his name or anything, says monthly, 3-week, 2-week, and we layer all bullish AF. 1, 2, 3-day momentum up top. Hour time frames gonna clip soon. Up we go. Trust higher time frames, they lead the way. Any pullbacks are temporary. So this guy's saying hella bullish. And there's a bunch of other people in the chats and everything else. Yeah, it was 23,250. 23,250. That was a good stream. We had a good time. Now, yes, we got a couple little green dots here and whatnot. That's just getting started. Hey, that could be the start to the week. This could be the week of judgment, and it's the Lord has mercy. It happened. I feel you. But at the end of the day, what I think the market and any it don't matter. What I think doesn't matter. What you think doesn't matter. What we think definitely doesn't matter. Doesn't matter is what are we doing with our money? And with my money, I am not in this short. I did not enter this to be in for a year for the top to the bottom and the top to bottom and Russia Gate and all this shit for 3 years from now to take profit. I'm just in this because I'm looking for some profits this. And I believe the opportunities on the short side for now. The spider lines are not an indicator. They're just trend lines, my friend. If you would like to know how to do them in a step-by-step video, besides just watching me do it just now, but if you just want the simple step-by-steps, you go to marketciphertrading.com. There's a link in the description. You click on tutorials. And it's not a part of it's just trend lines. But so many people requested it. It's, thought I'd change this title. How to spider line. And also preventing kamikaze trading. Just watch this video and that's what it is. Now, I'll tell you what I've been struggling with on this short. I have been wanting to sink my teeth into it. You know, we traded up from 130,000, have you, to over $1 million. And you get used to doing 6 mil positions. And it's that time where we recognize it's choppy. We made payroll, took a little off the table because we know we are human. And we're not perfect. And you know, what I do is whatever's on the exchange, it's getting traded. I don't keep money on an exchange that I'm not ready to pull the trigger on. You know? You shorted Solano? Man, I hope you kick ass. And I want to short Solano too. I want to short Solano too. Yeah, the money's in these hourly time frames, man. I mean, it's ugly, it's messy. This thing got stopped. Listen, it had its day. Beautiful, yippee-yi-you. And now it's messy again. It has to come down, right? At least 10%, maybe. I don't know. the weekly looks brutal on Solano. Is there a better chart on Solano than Coinbase with like what, Binance or something? Binance. What's let's see, let's look at the let's look at the front page here of CNBC. Let's give it our good old crypto face rating. What are we seeing today? Wow. We got a little pipsqueak red intern kid. This is a kid. We got some Chinese. We got two Chinese pictures, two Chinese. There's really three Chinese. His face is red as Chinese. We got Chinese flags everywhere. Chinese on the Dow. We're Chinese on the oil. We're Chinese on the flags. We're Chinese on the phone companies. Yeah, look at what. I wonder what this kid's doing. I wonder what that kid's doing. Good for him, though. Good for him. Good for this kid. Sure, he's, boy, you know this kid ain't coming up with his own ideas. He is, well, I don't want to sound like a hater. I'm sorry, but, you know, he's doing what he's told. You know, he didn't do none of his own research on some shit. He's got orders. But what do I know? We're all Chinese. Blessings to you too. Blessings to you too. How much I would draw? A couple hundo. Payroll was fat this month. It was good in January, or good in December. January, I'm telling you, you can tell when the markets are going up, the sales flow in. So we had a nice fatty payroll. Man, I tell you what, if you guys, man, you know, Market Cipher's been around for a long time in the crypto habitat, and it's sold a lot. But the most Market Cipher sales don't come from YouTube people or influencers or KOLs. It comes from like three guys who I've never met, but I would like to, and they don't know each other, but they're three separate sales funnel internet guru people, and they just crank. I know they got to be spending money because I know, but like when these guys, there's guys out there that really have that sales internet game, buying auctioned off dead communities, online communities, general boards, message boards, discords, and repurposing them and selling them, whatever the fuck it is they want to sell them. There's like three guys that are like our top, always the Market Cipher top sellers, and they just do that shit. And it's every time I try to talk to them, like, hey, Fred, or hey, Scott, man, way to go this month. Man, where the hell are you? We gotta chat. It's always like, oh, I'm on fucking they're always on vacation. They're always on honeymoon. So I know they're doing good, and I'm cutting their checks, so I know they're doing good. But I also know that it costs a lot of money too sometimes. But if you have it dialed in, man. The Dixie Wood, the Dixie Wood, the Dixie Wood. Come on, Dixie, it's your time. Oh, the Dixie. On the daily, the 12-hour. Listen, folks, this is the first time I'm seeing this. The Dixie, the Dixie. Lord, if the Dixie wants to bless me and keep on going, that would be pretty cool. So I won't be made a fool. That's a whole family of turtles. Yeah, you got that right. You got that right. And this is a more circular turtle. These were choppy, and it even had had a little spike got rejected. Even when fuck, I forgot the kid's name was like Justin Trudeau in our chat when I was short, or was I long? No, I was long on Bitcoin. And he's like, the Dixie on the 2-hour CF, you noob. And he was once in a while a pencil neck gets it right, because you guys, there's always pencil necks telling me to do the opposite thing I'm doing. So if I'm wrong 1 out of 10 times, a pencil neck is going to have its day. Every pencil neck has its day. Even a pencil neck can have its day. What, do you guys hear that rain and thunder? It's gonna fucking dump! Do you understand me? It's gonna fucking dump! Do you understand me? Man. Man, if Solano is going down right now and I didn't get in on it, I want to do the Solano. I want to do the Solano. I do want to do a Solano. That shit is dangerous, man. It's just too dangerous. It's not worth the risk. What happens if it has just a boop? You're talking easy licks. Easy licks. But I will sure would like to. I would like to. You know, that's a low dollar amount coin. It just takes a little, and it goes a long way. Percentage wise. It's gonna fucking dump. You understand me? Oh, well, that's a very nice thing for you to say, Codes. Cody Codes. Yeah, hopefully it's you know, hopefully it works out. Low leverage shorts on Solano, never a bad idea. I hear you, man. I hear you. I have been pondering it, but I haven't really done the calculations in my head. Or I haven't done the calculation. Why not throw a little at it? You know, why not throw a little at it? You know. Well, you know. You know, it's at a time where we could want to short this. It's at its little peak. Let's look at the Solano on Solano. You know, I would like to short it when it's in the green, and you know, when it's in the it's granted it's not in the green for long. It's actually in the green now. Should short this. What percentage is it? This is on the 1 minute there. That's one fucking thing. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Solano. I'm scared because I don't. Okay, cost. Okay, so just so we'll put 11,000. What's going on here? Okay, let's just what is that? Oh, see, now I gotta scroll all the way down to look at the Bitcoin one. Okay, so that's 30,000. And I'm only doing 3x because that's scary as hell. The liquidation's at $30. God, that's terrible, man. That's so scary. And somehow I'm still down $25, even though there's no money on the books, dude. How much of Solana did I just buy? 1,400? There's not even 1,400 on the books, dude. It's hard for a guy like me to move weight with these shit coins. Because I am the weight. But let's see here. We'll do another 9,000 if I can. This is scary. I don't like doing it. This is scary. We're down $65 on Solano. So now I got to look at this Solano every time I want to look at my position. It ruins the chart. There's a way where I can hide it, though. I'm pretty sure. Where I can just, there's a button somewhere I can click where I don't have to see it. Yeah. Yeah, it's a mess, y'all, right? Maybe she has one little tick to 25 to 25 to 24. I don't fucking know. I need to hide this. Select. Yay! There we go. Now I don't have to look at that shit. And let's get rid of Solano there. Let's go back to what we really here to see. Damn it! It showed up again. What the fuck? How did it pop? There we go. Was playing some blackjack earlier. Maybe we can play a little blackjack. Help the time go by, you know. I need to make the counting card video again. I was watching an interview of somebody that I'm a big fan of. And they briefly talked about my blackjack videos. They got deleted, but I got a strike because I had a link to Bovada in it wasn't even like an affiliate link, I don't think. It was just a link of where I'd, you know, go to play with a live dealer to learn. Well, I mean, that was years ago. It's gonna fucking dump. Do you understand me? Yes, it is Judgment Week. Time. Still got. It is Judgment. Hell, maybe it is just forming the butt of the gun now. Maybe this is just the butt of the gun. And she yippee-yi-yo ki-yays. Maybe. That's right, Valentine's Day is coming up. Better make your reservations. Thanks, Cyberpunk Monkey. I appreciate it, bro. I do. I try my best. I try to keep you entertained. Valentine's Day, it's like that, man, it's super. Valentine's Day is like right after the Super Bowl or something. I could have swore the Super Bowl keeps getting pushed back. I could have swore the Super Bowl used to be like on the first day of February, if not the last day of January. Like every year gets pushed back a couple days. Man, it sucks that Mijito disappeared. We did not save little Mijito. Little Mijito with his burrito and his twirly hat. He twirled his hat. And then he landed upside down. What was it? Ooh, that was 20%. Two. Shiba looks ready to dump. Shit. How much did this go? 81%. Yeah, that's a shit token for you. Remember, we rode our we had some good Shiba trades. Remember our little Shiba whack thing? We hit a couple Shiba licks. Is this the AI scam? Oh, look at it. This is the AI scam, isn't it? Looks just like Shiba. It's a scam. It's a scam. Oh my god. Oh, so this is the AI token scam. Singularity. Oh, gee. Oh. What? Do you guys... Okay. This is what it says on Google. Is AGIX is AGIX coin a good investment? Listen to this. Singularity Net proved to be one of the most talked about coins in the crypto space this past year. With this in mind, it is wise to say that AGIX is a good choice of investment. If that alone don't say something's wrong, then I'm a chong. Not because of what it does, what it solves, but, and this is from them. Wait. Wait. Bitcoin wisdom. What? Okay, this is a. Okay, so this is an article, someplace I never heard of, from this guy that looks like Johnny Depp on the acid trip. And apparently, according to this guy, okay, this guy right here. I don't know if you can see him. According to this guy, just because it's talked about this year, that's a good investment right there. Yeah. Now, I will say it's a very in-depth article. Uh-oh. Another red flag. Price prediction. Yep. Yep. Wow, look at the reasons. They even went, this is so much filler bullshit. Wow. It's just the same thing with different words over and over. Price prediction 2024. Price prediction has much room for expansion as a result of the potential announcements of numerous new partnerships and initiatives. We anticipate the price of this shit token will soon surpass $1 and a nickel. However, we should wait to see if AGIX's relative strength index comes out of the oversold zone before placing any bullish bets. Okay, what about the year after that? If the upward trend continues until 2025, it could reach $1.48. Not $1.49 or $1.52, but $1.48. If the market experiences a decline, the goal may not be met. AGIX is expected to trade at an average of $1.35 and a low of $1.27 in 2025. That is their reason for 2025. What about the reason for 2026? If these assholes successfully boost market sentiment among cryptocurrency enthusiasts, AGIX coin price could remain stable for the next 5 years. According to our projection, AGIX will be green in 2026. And it's expected to reach and surpass its all-time high. Okay, now what about 2027? After some extensive forecasting and technical analysis, we believe The price is going to be $2.23. All right. Let's take a look at their analysis here. Okay. $2.23 in 2027. Folks, it's going to the fucking moon. Non-stop. Okay, I can't even go any farther. Folks, we're talking off the charts, on the charts, all year, every year. Let's see what I wonder what they have to say about 2031. Oh my God, there is 2031. It just so happens 2031 is the last year that's allowed to be on the weekly on TradingView. Okay, 2031. The cryptocurrency market is known to be highly volatile, which is one of many reasons why price forecasting is a difficult task. But folks, it's gonna be $4.15. Oh, by 2030, Singularity will finally surpass its previous all-time highs. Cause damn, that was a fuck. Boy, it's gonna be a wrestle to finally get past this, huh? Finally, we're gonna get past the all-time high from the day before that day, and that day, and that day, for 900 and for 1,200 days. And the minimum price is going to be $3.39. Holy shit. Sign me up. And you know what? I think this looks great. Because at first, I was fooled. This is all mumbo jumbo that nobody reads. But it looks legit. You read this shit. Oh, okay, this is good shit. Oh, okay, what the fuck is it? Yeah, what is this? Aspires to create. Aspires to create. They haven't created a thing. This is a scam. They haven't created a thing. I cannot believe. I can believe, excuse me. I can believe. I don't know if you were around the beginning of the stream. And I swear I've never seen this before. That the next fad of big time good crypto cowboy ham hawking scams is going to be this AI shit. And here it is. Wow. So, damn. Man, whoever made this token is filthy fucking rich. Filthy. Man, and you know, they're probably never going to find out who it is, man. And they're just set for the rest of their fucking life. Let's see who's behind it. Let's put on our shooter crypto face, good old research, and Let's see what we got. Let's go to their website. Anything that says singularity, unless you're Elon Musk, you can suck my dick. Especially if you're that one guy with the weird hair. Even he was wrong. No! It's him! I can't believe it! It's him! And they're back. This isn't the first time. This isn't their first time. This is not their first time. I can't believe this. This prick is at it again. I can't believe it. Boy. Oh, man. Who would you rather have fuck you? This guy or Sam Bankman-Fried? This guy's dead. I bet you his picture was black and white because he's dead. And this is the lady who's in trouble with the Epsteins. This is the Epstein lady's cousin. Look at her. She looks just like her. That's the lady that they have in jail with for the Epstein thing. That's her cousin. Looks just like her. Well, folks, we should have bought some of this shit so we could have had Ghislaine Maxwell. We should have bought some of this and made out like bandits, because at least we could have gotten some. Get this fucking garbage charts. That guy's a fucking idiot. I believe in social systems, and the world has to die. A lot of people have to die. I hate people like him. He's a fucking freak. He's not a mad scientist. He's a bad scientist. Man, I am blown away. Blown away. Yeah, he looks like the Independence Day guy. Yup, good one. He looks worse than that guy. The Independence Day guy was cool. How about Shooter Cardano? That's a great question. Shitter Cardano looks great. Beautiful curvature. I am loving this curvature. I am looking for this to break down. This is I'm thinking this is a trap. I'm thinking this is a trap. I'm not talking about Cardano. I'm talking about Bitcoin. And the Ethereum and shitcoins and the steel factory. I'm thinking this is the actual trap where people are going to try to buy this quote unquote dip and get cracked. Hopefully that's what's going to happen for our trade's sake. How's our trade doing? I want to add to it, but I will wait for the week to start before I add to this position. Man. Man. What's going on with gold? Gold went back down below 1900, right? It's probably still there. Yup. What a shocker. We tried to tell him. There is no reason, and nobody loves gold more than me. But we might as well not even talk about gold because it's never going to go above 2000 until there is a real catastrophe, whether it be market catastrophe, physical catastrophe that begets market catastrophe. It is physically impossible for gold to be able to go over and hold 2000. Literally impossible. Because 3 institutions own too much of the trade paper, not the physical gold. Literally, they cannot sell it. They cannot. There is not enough money to. It's so fucked up. There's lines out the door in Vietnam and Thailand twice in the past 4 years, 3 times. Couldn't buy gold anywhere. Couldn't buy it online. Couldn't get it anywhere. Price wouldn't budge. I have no idea what the price with gold would be. Yeah, I have no idea. No idea. When was gold $330 an ounce? Not long ago. Not long ago. Not long ago. Gold was $300 an ounce. In 2004. It's not that they don't want it over 2,000. It's that there is not enough money out there to buy it off of them. According to, like, it was 4 years ago now. It's crazy how time goes by. It was 4 or 5 years ago. It was, fuck, I forget the percentage now too, man. Fuck, it was like 72% or 82%. If you go back deep in my videos, you probably hear it fresh. Hear it fresh. But the top three folks have 72% or 82% of the sell side paper.
my head on the bit. Look, I'm going to be completely honest here. I'm in over my head on the Bitcoin stuff. This has legitimately ruined my life. If I could sell it all right now, I would. But we have to wait for break even. Look, I'm going to be completely honest here. I'm in over my head on the Bitcoin stuff. This has legitimately ruined my life. If I could sell it all right now, I would. But we have to wait for break even. Look, I'm going to be completely honest here. I'm in over my head on the Bitcoin stuff. This has legitimately ruined my life. If I could sell it all right now, I would. But we have to wait for break. Look, I'm going to be completely honest here. I'm in over my head on the Bitcoin stuff. This has legitimately ruined my life. If I could sell it all right now, I would. But we have to wait for break even.
That's what I keep.
Yeah, the AI token scams. Although I tell you what, if you want to get paid and make hand over fist money, you got to find a good AI token scam, buy the tokens early, and get in early and get out before everybody else. Or at least get out along the way up. Make sure you lock in your damn profits and get that bread. I wonder if the AI could do my voice. Told I have a unique voice.
Have you ever been to an AI factory?
Yeah, what did he say, man? KW is my homie. I'll have to check it out. What'd he say? When Market Cipher discount, it's active right now. Market Cipher discount. There's a Market Cipher discount live right now. Dump, baby, dump. Dump, baby, dump. Hey, there's Justin Trudeau.
Have You ever been to a steel factory?
Oh yeah, we're looking for Tony Romo on TV today. Can an idiot such as yourself use Market Cipher? If you just stick with the core basic strategy, you don't overcomplicate it. We've had plenty of dumb people figure it out, but you know, I don't know you, but it can work for most other people. Maybe it can for you too. You still have to overcome yourself. And that is the key. You can give a man or a woman $10 million or $100 million or the Powerball hundreds of millions of dollars, and they will still manage to screw it up. Can PencilNex use Market Cipher? Of course they can. Who do you guys got for the Super Bowl? You know what? We're going to put it to a poll. We're going to put it to a poll. Okay. The poll is live. Who's going to win the Super Bowl? The Eagles? The Chiefs? Or do you not even know what the hell, football is in the United States? Am I going live with Richard Hart when his thing launches and get the scoop? Yeah, I'd love to. Yeah, sure. I know we always have a good time. We have a good little banter. It's hard to get a full sentence out with him. He always kind of cuts. He always cuts you off, and the actual point of what you're trying to say, he kind of rushes shit sometimes. Or I don't know. We have a good time though. We stay in touch. A lot of not Americans, yeah. Yeah, did you know that only 30% of my audience is American? Let me take a look at that again. Let me check that. We need to fact check that again. It's been a long time. Hopefully I can find it. Go to a more exciting chart. Let's see. God, they always change their dashboard. Studio. Guessing this. Okay. Hi, my little furry friend. Hey, buddy, how are you? Hi. You sleeping? Sleep. Your scab is starting to come off. Starting to fall off. It's gonna fall off soon. Your little scab. Analytics. Audience. Let's see this. Wow. Okay. So, the top geographies in the last 28 days. Okay, we're going to go over the top. Well, hang on here. Let's see here. Hang on here. 8, 9, 10. Okay. We're going to go over the top 10 list for countries that watch yours truly. Thanks, Luke, for your donation. All donations go to charity. All right, coming in at country number. Well, hang on, let me make sure. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Coming in at country number 10 with a 1.8% viewership, which means that there is 1,300 people watching right now. Well, hang on here. Okay, so we're going to do some math. Hang on. Okay. We have a small, it's middle of the night, 1,354 people. Country number 10, coming in at 1.8%, is Russia. That means we have 24 Russians here right now. Shout out to my Russian friends. I like Russia. I like Russians. Fuck with Russians, man. Shout out to you 24, 25. If you are in Russia, say something. Number 10, Russia. All right. All right. Coming in at number 9 with a flat 2% is Poland. Do we have any Polacks? That means we have 27 of you are Polish. I know, I saw Poland. I saw someone say Poland there. Boom. I saw a couple of you got Poland. We got some polls, dude. That's fucking sick. Damn, dude, this is crazy. We are worldwide. I can go to any country and have a friend meet me somewhere. All right. Poland, number 9. Coming in at number 8. A country that is mega into leverage trading. Can anyone guess it? South Korea, coming in at 2.6%. If we have 2.6%, that means we have 35 Korean friends here. Maybe from Park Ho-do, maybe from that one kid who loses all his money. What's up, Mike from Russia? Yeah. Tomasz Zitowiczwitz from Poland. Crypto Face. Thank you. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. You know what's fucked up? Is China's not on the list because you can't view this shit from China. You have to use a fucking VPN. So shit, I'm willing to bet China. So these numbers are skewed because China's not here. Even though China watches us, they have to VPN. So what was that? Number 7? We had 10, 9, 8. That was 8. So number 8, South Korea. Coming in at number 7. Number 7. Can you say chicken tiki masala is my favorite? A country I really want to go to and just get in those streets and slums. India at 2.9%. A little low. That's a little low. 2.9%. That means at 3054 we have 39 Indians. Patel Indians. Shout out to my Patels. Shout out to my Patel Indians. What's up, Superman? That's it? You tell me we only got 40 Indians in here? India was country number 6. Was that what it was? 6? Let's see here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. Correct. Okay. India, number 6. 2.9%. We're getting into the top 5. Do you think your country is in the top 5? Interesting little batch here, although it makes sense. Coming in at Mumbo number 5 is the Netherlands. The Netherlands makes up for 3.2%. 3.2% is 43. We have 43 Netherlands. Thank you for your viewership. Shout out if you're from Netherlands. What does Netherlands mean? I guess it's its own country. Shout out to my Netherlandians. My Nethers. Folks, we're getting in to the top 4. Coming in at cuatro. Not uno, not dos, not tres, but cuatro. From down under, Australia is our 4th most viewed country from my fucking outback bloomin' onion. Yeah, bloomin' onion in the outback. Australia at 3.3%. We had 13. Well, we have 13. We'll do that. 0.033. We got 44, 45 people from the Outback. Shout out to my Aussies. Aussies love talking about if your kids are around, cover their ears. If your kids are around, turn them away. But some of the most perverted people I've ever heard are Aussies. They go, cunt, cunt. Yeah, you like that. You like sucking my balls, balls, cunt. That's Australians for you. What's up, my Aussies? Yeah. Always down for the boys. The Aussies always down for the boys. Yeah. Cunt, cunt, cunt. All right. We are officially breaking into the final 3. Coming in at number 3. Is Canada. Canada makes up for 4.5% of our viewers. Thank you to my Canadians. Never met a Canadian I didn't get along with or didn't like. And, man, if you want to have a good time, go to Canada, Toronto. They got it going good over there. Coming in at number 2. This is my second most viewers come from this one country. Number 2. What do you guys think it is? Yep. You got it right. Germania. German. 999. The sauerkraut loving krauts of Germany. Coming in at 7. Oh, fuck. I was wrong. We've been reading the top 11. Okay, guys, we fucked up. Russia was 11. Germany's number 3 at 4.6%. Coming in at number 2 is Shmee at 7.2%. Shmee. The United Kingdom. And number 1 is the United States at 24.2%. 24% of my viewers are from the USA. Only 24%. That shit's crazy, man. Man, I have friends anywhere. Notable mentions. Number 12 is France at 1.3%. Russia was 1.8%. Parlez-vous français? Tu as de la chance. You pigs are at 1.3%. Where my piggies? Where my pigs? You French pigs. At 1.3%. Following Pepe Le Pew is Romania. Romania. I don't even know where Romania is, but 1.2%. Do we have any Romanians in the chat? Any Romanians? Where's Austria? Austria is on the list. They're not far away. After Romania, it's actually a tie percentage-wise, but micro percentage it is not. Also coming in at 1.2% is the Spaniards. They say the dawn of the fall of Napoleon were his escapades into Spain. Spain. At 1.2%. Coming in at 1.1% after the Spaniards is the Swiss. Switzerland. Love chocolate. And knives. Switzerland. Do we have any Swiss? Do we have any Swiss cheese? Swiss cheese in the chat. What's up, Fernando? Joe, are you Swiss? You from Switzerland? Austria? Dowd, you from Austria? SPLK, you from Swiss? All right. We got some big countries coming up next, folks. Switzerland, 1.1%. The next one is famous for one of my favorite breakfast platters. Belgium. Belgium. I didn't even know that was a country. I thought that was just part of like Germany or some shit. Belgium. I don't know where these countries exist. Somewhere in Europe. I don't know how they don't fit. Where the hell is Belgium? Where is Belgium? Next to Luxembourg. So it's one of those weird little Brussels and shit. Brussels is in Belgium. It's just north of France. Oh, okay. All right. Well, thank you, Belgium. Coming up next. Finally, we are in the sticks, coming in at a flat 1.0%. The Philippines. Do we have any Philippines in the chat? Do we have any Philippines in the chat? Holy shit, look at the price. Dump it, baby. Dump it. Dude, is our shitter Solano trade? Oh my god, I just got fooled. I thought it was up $4,000 in this shitter Solano trade. We're up $200 in the Solano. We might need to up this fucking trade. 30 grand, that's it? Truth ain't worth the squeeze. Oh, Solano. Let's see. We got in Solano at 23.31.65. We wrecked the order book. Wow, 2031. That was up here. We need to. I mean, we need to short the shit out of Solano. But whatever. Like we're playing bingo right now. Man, I need to do a Euro trip and just be like, yo, I'm at this bar in fucking Belarus, Belgium. I'm here and see who shows up, you know? if you are in a country that I have not mentioned yet, what is your country? If your country has not been announced, what country? Man, y'all from Estonia, you're from Luxembourg, you're in Luxembourg right now, you're in Hungary right now, man, you're in Czech Republic, that's crazy. Austria. I did mention Russia. Russia was number 11. South Africa, man, you know my South Africans, man. Dude, where is South Africa on, on my damn list? Because we got South Africans hardcore. Here it is. South Africa, man, is at 0.8%. And for a 0.8%, you guys are loud. Loud. You guys have sent me gifts. I have a custom wooden clock someone made me from South Africa. Sweden, Ukraine, Moldova. What the fuck is Moldova? That's like a prescription you get for dry mouth or some shit. Poland, we said Poland. Poland is one of my top countries. Poland is a top 5er, top 6er. Morocco, the Moors. Portugal, yeah. Saudi Arabia, where's my Arab friends? Here they are. The UAE is at 0.6%. Greece, 0.5%. Croatia, 0.5%. Czechia. Wow. Ukraine. It's at 0.7%. Ukraine, 0.7%. Nigeria was on the list, I believe. Here they are, Nigeria. 0.4% of my viewers are Nigerian. Israel's right under Nigeria at 0.3%. Above those two is Finland and Japan. And above Japan is Argentina. This is so much fun. I can literally go anywhere, any country in the world, and have some homies. Iraq, you say? I'm only looking at the top 50 results. Please use exports to view up to 500 results. So I don't see Iraq on here in the top 50. So it's in my exported results. I'd have to export. Anyways, that was fun. Lebanon. Man, those Lebanese. I know a Lebanese when I see one from their eyes. At least the never mind. Never mind. We said India. We said India. Georgia. Let me see if Georgia's on here. Georgia. I do not see Georgia on the top 50. But that makes you special. Alright, Bitcoin's price coming down. That's good. Man, that Solano short is paying off and it's going to continue to do so. Solano, short that shit. Alright. These countries are the my viewers, the geographical analytics of you all, my friends, loved ones. Yes. I am certainly more Moroccan than French. Huh. This table's Whoops. Whoops. Whoa. Whoa. What the? All right. There we go. Alright, this looks like it's a new shoe, damn. See if we can get a hot count going. I'll turn off these sounds. You want me to turn off these sounds? Is it too loud? There's still no volume meter on here. It's so stupid. Whatever. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, they're way down here. I can't do this right now. I can't do this. This is too fucking boring.
Too many people.
$21. $21. Yes, I play Texas Hold'em, although I don't play as much anymore because the tables are too try hard for not enough money these days. We'll tip the gal. She's the gal. Once maybe we'll do a shoe or two. We'll see if we can get a good count on a shoe or two, but we gotta wait for the shoe to be over. This shoe looks like but we got a full table, so it'll probably be like 8 more hands. Hello, Mr. Sidster. Blackjack is boring. Yeah, right. Blackjack's the most fun. Everything else is boring. You just sit there and like fucking baccarat. That's boring. You don't do anything. What, sister? What, mister? What, do you want a stinky treat? You want a stinky treat? What? You want a stinky treat? Alright, hang on. I'll get you a stinky treat. Yes. We'll get you a stinky treat. What do we got? 20 and a 16. Stay on the 20. Yeah, we're gonna be doing a how to count cards video here soon. Anyone can learn how to count cards. You don't gotta be a genius. All right, let me give him a treat. Damn, I'm gonna get kicked off. All right, let me give. You know, maybe we can play some online poker, huh? Maybe we can do a little online poker table. It's the music in the background, boy, I tell you. Boy, this girl is slow. Is it my turn? No, it's not. There you go. Cough on your hands and so you touch other people's hands and shit. She's a hand cougher. Yeah, smudge your eye crud on the cards. Too many. Oh, too many. Too many. Too many.
14 heat, 15.
This fucking shit. Boy, am I sucking all the aces and kings out of this deck right now. For Pete's sake, how many more aces can a man pull? Too many. There you go. Cough on you.
19. Sound dealer has 14.
I can't take the third seat. I only take 2 seats.
Congratulations to the winners. Place your bets, please. Good luck.
Yeah, you can only take 2 seats. I wish I could take all the seats.
Good luck, no more bets.
Yeah, what a nice job, huh? You just sit there and deal cards at some fucking backwoods place.
Have a bloody crypto.
The blackjack, the crypto.
Congratulations for your luck.
Hi,
Break
crypto.
20. Sound break 3 or 30. Double 15, 16 crypto. Sound 17, sound 11. Redeem double.
Hi, crypto.
15 theater has. 14 and 19 push. Congratulations, crypto, for your life. Place your bets. Good luck. Last week. Good luck, Marty.
You guys are funny.
Tucker out. Zero blind. Have a furry. Okay, 13 top hit. 15
I thought she had a mole on her cheek, but it's just a crumb on my monitor.
6 red hit. 14
Let's go, Bitcoin.
sound
Crypto. Oh, crypto.
13
13. Oh. Too many. Oh, 15. Yeah, man. Too many. This girl gives me too
20
many.
13 is sound crypto serenity.
A slow
Sound
death.
30 16 hit 16
Too many. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go.
sound dealer has 13 and too many. Congratulations to the winners. Please place your bids below.
All right, we're gonna throw 100. We'll throw crypto lady a $10 tip. See if we can get some. Here we go, new shoe, baby. New shoe. It's time to start counting.
Crypto, thank you.
See if we can get a hot count. You guys are gonna have to help me though. I don't forget what it is. I always forget.
Crypto, thank you so much for it.
Yellow X on the 1 hour. Can't wait to see it. We'll take a look after the shoot. We got a quick time really quick. Are you sure? There better be a yellow X on the 1 hour. Oh, it is on regular candles. You're right, bro. You're right. You're right. Oh, no. No. Okay, good. Here we go, boys, and maybe some girls' new shoe. There you go. Cough. Not in your hands. She seems like a cougher for no reason. Like she's just coughing to cough. Here we go. New shoe. Let's get that hot count, boys and girls. Fuck, we put $100. Oh boy. Here we go. 2, 3, 5, 3,
Have a furry rating.
1. I can't see.
Congratulations for your birthday.
1. -1. Counts -1.
Congratulations for your ramen.
Damn, we get a blackjack.
Congratulations
Counts
for your
-1.
logic. Top G 5 hit. 9
0. Count as 0.
hit. 15
Count as 1. Count as 1.
15 hit. 19
Count as 2. I was gonna say top G better be hitting on that. Plus 2 count. Plus 1. Count as 0.
Sound 10 in crypto. Sound 18 reading. Split for reception.
Count as 0. Still 0. Split those again, homeboy.
Sound second option.
I guess you can't.
19.
-1.
Sound 20. Sound dealer has.
What is that card? -2.
19. Push.
Counts -2.
Congratulations to the winners. Please place your leads. Good luck.
I will. I'll do another counting video. Anyone can do it. You don't gotta be a genius. You just need to know a couple tricks. And all your friends will think you're a genius. The hardest part's remembering what the count was. Count was -2. There's distractions and shit. I forget what the count was all the time. Counting's the easy part. 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4. Counts +4.
Top 8.
+3. Counts +3.
Sound break. 7. 17.
Counts +2.
Sound 20. Sound 14. Crypto.
Counts +2.
Sound 13. Sound 17. 17.
Counts +1.
Sound 13. Sound dealer has 12.
0.
Beyond to me.
Is Solano dumping?
Congratulations. Please place your leads. Good luck.
Is Solano dumping? What was the count? 0? Fuck. There was another 10. What was the count? 0 -1? See, I fucking forgot. But when you forget, you just go with like the most negative assumption. I think it was 0. Then she showed a 10. I forgot if I counted that, so I'm gonna say it's -1. I'm gonna just you know, count was 0, but I don't know if I counted that 10 she flipped. So I think it's -1. 0, 0, 0, 0, -1, 0, -2.
Congratulations for your birth.
Can't see that fucking card. -3,
Keep checking for your luggage.
-4. Small bets.
Excuse me. Better looking than I sound. Please place your leads.
I did count her at the, I'm saying when she flipped it though, so it's either -4 or -3. So I'm just gonna say it's -4. Or -3.
Number leads. Good luck.
We'll go with -4. -4. -5. -3. -3. -2. -4.
Half of Lodge, Jordan.
-5.
Jordan, half around. Congratulations. Checking for your logic. Doesn't have logic, Jordan.
Counts
Congratulations
-5.
for your logic. Top G, 16 is sound. Break 19 is sound. Crypto, 7 feet. Breaking.
Still 5. -5. We'll see if we get, so there's still like 6 shits in the deck, so we'll see if we get lucky, but there it is. -4.
Sound 13 feet. To many.
Nice, he busted. I might get lucky here too. What the fuck? What the fuck? Stupid shit.
13
I hate this shit.
Congratulations to the winners. Please place your leads.
Fuck. I hate this shit. I thought I was standing on my 20, but it automatic. It automatic. Now I'm frustrated and I don't know what the count is.
Let's wait.
I think it's -2.
You players, good luck now.
Okay, I'm taking off this auto bullshit. -2, 0, 0, -1, -2, -1, 0, 0, and -1.
Doesn't have logic.
Bitcoin's dumping, baby. I bet you Solana is too. -1, -2. Or excuse me, 0. Count as 0. +1.
20. Stand rate 12. Heat 20. Stand rate 18. Stand 18. Fruit stand
Yeah, it's manual. Now I can do it manually. +1 count.
11 double. Nice double 20.
0.
13 crypto. Heat 20.
20. Still 0.
Stand fire 15 heat.
+1.
18. Temp out. 18.
0.
Sound dealer has.
I hear you, Mike. Listen, brother. We're all hooligans. If you're here, you're a hooligan.
Dealer has 8.
We're gambling. It's like 4 in the morning, bro.
So the winner is the
But I do my best. You just got, bro. Say something in chat. Say, yo, my kids can hear. Mike, if you don't want to hear me curse with your kids in the room, say something in the chat so I know, brother. Count 0, I think.
last week. You like no more weeks.
+1. 0. -1. -2.
Doesn't have logic top 13.
-3.
Too many. Rig 12. E. Too many.
-4.
Rig 13. E. 15.
-3.
E. Too many.
20.
19.
Still -3. Poor girl coughing.
I think Crypto Sound Dealer has 16.
-2.
Yeah.
And ooh,
Better
21
than
-1. It's all right. We're betting small. -1 count. We're right in the middle. No. Well, there's yay. There's certain deviations that'll get you kicked out. But no, there's levels to counting cards. The main deviations that get people caught are the 15, 16 stays on the +1s. Oh fuck, what were we? We're -1. -1, -2. I can't see this. This looks like it's a 0 with -2. -2, -3. -2. We're hitting this, baby. Give it to me. -2. Bada bing. That's how it's done. -1. We're gonna need a little bit of luck on this. Give it to me, baby. One more time. Minus. Upside down. Turn that 9 upside down. -1, 0. +1. +2. Count is plus to about, I don't know,
Out. I'm going to change cards.
almost halfway through the deck, so it's really not even a true count of 1 yet. And they're switching the deck on us. Dang, they switched that early. God, as soon as I bet big. Clear the table. How do I get rid of this? No, get me out of this. They locked the bets. What the heck? What the heck is this? They locked the bet on me. They locked the bet on me. They locked the bet in on me. That's not cool. They should open it back up, I'm pretty sure. She's just got to pat the cards and, interesting. There you go, pat it. Pat it. Pat it. Okay. Well. We're locked in. Heavy honcho, $100 bet. Dollar. Solano. And that's pretty much it, folks.
It's really good luck now, my dude.
She's been here for a long time. She's been working this place a long time. Look at her. She knows what she's doing. 0, 0, -1, 0. Standing all around. I hit the stand. 13. Bust it out. Alright. I'm done with this. I'm done. Oh, it's definitely not pointless to count. There's always a point to count. You just have to be patient. That's all. Especially when you can bet so small as $10 on minimum bets. You can be patient all you want. I tipped her. I tipped her. Yeah, poker would be fun. Let me see if they, let's see here. Poker. I don't really need an app. I don't have any poker apps on this computer. Anonymous tables. Anyway, let's take a look at the charts. Actually, how's our Solano trade? All. We're up $300 on our Solano. Isn't that nice? Oh. Oh, we got yellow X's popping up all over. We got yellow X's coming up on the hourly. Now on the hike and nashies. It's about to get nasty around here, folks. It's going down to 22.6 again. It's already been there. It's about to go again. What time is it? Did the markets open? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Let's get rid of this darn tiny ass whoopsie. All right, we are up $45,000. Cold hard cash. Oh, we need to change to the Bitcoin. Man, we should have shorted more on. Wow, we shorted up here on Solano, and it's already down here. What percentage is this? 1% already. That's insane. Wow. I'm telling you, folks, Solano is going to be a slam dunk. It's going to be a slam dunk. And so is this one. So, where were those long and pencil necks from earlier in the stream saying, Is that million? Yes, this is 2.7. This is $2,721,737. Short. We're currently up $45,907 unrealized. What's up, Zories? $22,350. No, we long 22,250. Got in that 22,350. Got on that 22,412 that day. We can't even see my entry on the screen because it's up there, boys and girls. Look at SHIB. Yeah, it's probably dumping. It's all going to hail. We already looked at SHIB, but I'll look at it again because it's probably going to hail. Never mind. Good for them. Anyways, let's look at the Dixie. Dixie on its whizzy. Let's go. And dump it. Dump it real good. Dump it like you should. The first Yella X since B4. This is the first Yella X since B4. 16,800's beginning. Now, what do you think about that? We got a 20 dual band strength index bear against a -5 bull. We are diving like scuba divers. Oh, come on, man. What do you mean you lost your bag? Come on, bro. Don't do that. And if you really did do that, don't do it again. That's what I'm saying. At least you stop yourself now. I'm telling you, the delusion is strong right now. The people are delusional right now. Yes, they are. Ooh. Oh, dude, are you kidding me? We always use the 30-second, the 15-second. Market cipher is a dream. And there she goes. Oh, geez. But I thought leading manipulation indications could not and do not exist. You thought right until you came here. Until Crypto Face came into your life. We try to bless everyone. We tried to tell them. Bless you too, Crypto Cream. And some embrace us. Others despise us. When all we've tried to do is lend a helping hand to anyone who wants it. Not forced. Not coerced. Well, that's good to know, Sunshine Girl. I hope it stays that way. It's not the right time to add it. Well, it would have been because Yellow X. I should have done Bin Laden. I should have Bin Laden. Man, I should have added more up here. I want at least 3 mil in the position. I want at least 3 mil, but we're gonna have to go in the microscopic time frames and look for a punch. Beautiful Yellow X. I'm telling you, folks, beautiful Blood Diamond, beautiful Yellow X. There is nothing compares to Market Cipher. It is just amazing. It really is. Oh, stop it, Steven. But if it's true, thank you. I'm happy for you. Yellow X is a sign of vulnerability to whale manipulation, whale play. When it's prime to be taken advantage of. And in this market, typically, in this environment, typically, it's bearish. In this environment. I'm glad you are a lifetime. Now when you go to my channel, you have to click live. It doesn't just show video anymore. You have to click. It just, when you first get there, it just shows the videos, and then you have to click live to see the lives. Hell yeah. Post your win rate in the testimonials, man. We're going to be using them on the new website. So, but we're going to cover your name. We're going to show like the first letter of your username. How did our Super Bowl poll do? Let's take a look here. The end results: Eagles 26%, Chiefs 13, 60%, 2%. I had no the hell idea. So, as far as voters on the Eagles and Chiefs, it's 2-1 Eagles. I'd agree. I would agree. Well, there's different environments. I mean, this is, you're talking about different environments. But yes, yellow X's are the, man, they're well manipulated. You're talking traps. You're talking pump and dumps, dump and pumps, or just dumps, or just pumps. Depends on the situation. Yeah, folks. still there on the hike and ashies. We got 19 minutes. 19 minutes left on the candle. We have not seen a yellow X since before the pump. Yeah, let's see this guy's head. Got the 2 hour. Nothing yet on the 2. Oh, there is one on the 2. There is one on the 2. Yeah, folks, we are just playing the long game, as in long term, as in a week or this week, or, you know. Let's see here. Righty. Let's take a look. See here. I'm liking that 1 minute. I'm liking this 1 minute crossover. Ooh, look at that beautiful tight momentum wave to the downside that took it down. Let's see. Oh, we should have sharded more to short. What's going on with the pre-mark? Did they change the CNBC title? What the heck's going on?
It's gonna fucking dump. Do you understand me?
Telling myself, just wait for break even.
Look, I'm going to be completely honest here. I'm in over my head on the Bitcoin stuff. This has legitimately ruined my life. If I could sell it all right now, I would.
Again, yellow X. What the what's going on here? I'm having technical difficulties here. There we go. Yellow X stands for manipulation. Well play. Primed. For moves to happen. Depending on the environment. In this environment, most likely dumps. But you can find out on the Market Cipher tutorial. MarketCipherTrading.com. On sale. My internet sucks right now. It's that time of the night. At this time of the night, the internet starts getting crappy. Thoughts on BitBoy indicators? They look cool. I haven't tried them. I haven't really looked into them, but I don't think they released them yet. But they look cool from what I've seen. Yes. Let's see. There's yeah, it's on sale. But it's getting to be about that time, folks. I need to take a little break. Need something to eat. We need to get something to eat. Yeah, it's about to be that time. It's not a buy sell indicator, so there's no like success rate tracker. It doesn't really work like that. But it's a good question. Typically, the first two yellow X's are the strongest. There's also an anomaly where after 4 or 5, mostly 4 yellow X's, you start to look for sell-off exhaustion. And a lot of times, not every time, but a lot of times, it's you can get it on a good early long entry. If you see the other indications starting to do the same thing, starting to show it. Money flow starting to curve up, momentum curving up, anchors to the trigger waves. It is all explained in the basic strategy. There's a lot of stuff with Market Cipher, but there is a simple basic strategy. And it's all here. It's a little long. I'm a little long-winded, but we go through a live trade, a beginning, a middle, and an end, plus the dual band strength index. The yellow X strategy is right here. But we've been going through a whole new rebrand. We're gonna have a whole new website and everything. Hopefully in about a month, it'll be done. New tutorials, but Old Faithful, it all works. It's all good. We are the #1 selling indicator system in crypto, hands down, ever. No one even comes close. I mean, man, we're even up there in just standard trading. Testimonials at the wazoo. You do get access to the Discord, but it's a privilege. So if you act like a jackwagon in there, you can get banned from the Discord. A lot of fakes try to claim they got the same thing. They don't even come close. Yeah, appreciate you. How do you get into the Discord? Well, You have to own Market Cipher first, and there's a video on that, how to join the Discord server. There's the sales on right now. The prices are slashed in half. Oh, we got rid of the slashed in half thing, huh? Well, if you really want a deal, you type in someone's code. I can give you a code. Let me see. Miss Teen Crypto has a code. I think it's Miss Teen Crypto and you get 20% off. If you type in Miss Teen Crypto in the coupon box, you get 20% off, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, man, I support my community, dude. I support my community. And also, it's hard to find legit like sponsorships out there. All these channels got a lot of heat. I mean, it's always been that way in crypto. I mean, and not only that too, like even ones that are legit, like a wallet, some crypto wallet, like in the bear market, dude, they don't spend advertising money. They get, all these companies hold so much crypto, they're short on actual crypto. I mean, excuse me, cash. They hold too much crypto. Thanks, Antonio. But yeah, we got in this trade because we're going to be in this one for this week. Money flow, bleeding out. I'm going to give you this skinny. There's technical analysis. There's fundamental analysis. And then there's what I call money analysis. And that's just following the money. This is the best money flow money can buy. Talk about how to read the momentum, the blue waves, the yellow VWAP waves. And right now, the amount of cash is leaving, and it is a leading indication. That's how we knew that 64K, 64K was the top, and we got out. Because the money was getting smaller and smaller. And eventually it gives way, don't have the legs anymore. And it's the same on all time frames. So we go back here. So you could do 6 hour or do 8 hour. We kind of just assume draw the wave, and you adjust it as it, you know, sometimes the wave will be like, oh, or shorter, but this is very nicely curved and easier to predict. So you go, okay, it comes in the rate. This is probably, you know, we'll assume that this is like the bottom for now, unless it gets even worse, you know. But as of right now, I'm planning on, and I get the little measuring stick. We measure the time of the assumption, and that's 4 or 5 days. So my guess, as of now, is in 4 or 5 days, the price now is going to be higher than the price in 4 to 5 days, wherever the price will be. You know, you go back here with this when we were in the 16,000s, money flow curved, and bear market came up. She came up. Oops. She came up 11%. Meh. And then it fought, came back in the red, started coming in the green. Boom. 16,000. Even if you got in late, 17,000s, whammy. Combined with everything else, you know, how beautiful the candles were. The dual band strength index numbers were off the charts. We've been riding this puppy since 60,800. Did the $100,000 to $1 million trade challenge live. It took us 50 days, all live. Granted, everyone's a trade genius, especially when it's that easy or just going up. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not really tooting my horn that much, but I've been doing this for 7-8 years. So we got the community, we got the people to back. I mean, it's not even about my success. Like, who cares? There's a million people out, a million traders who've developed their own indicators and they kick ass with it. But it's who else can adapt it and do it? Like, can other people take which, I mean, look at this. People getting 10, just posting 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 8 out of 10. Stocks, Forex, crypto, you name it. You either read the testimonials, you read the stuff people write in here, man. It's crazy. It's awesome. Look at this dude's P&Ls. Started, was in the crapper, got market cipher. Now he's back to even or back to over. What? Got funded a $500,000 prop firm trading account after 7 days. Market cipher. Holy Lord. Yeah. I don't know how 1 year market side. What a drain it's been. I'm not understanding anything new, a consistent common strategy, all in less than a year. Thank you, Crypto Face and Flopping. That's my brother. Amazing support, tutorials, and conference over product. And thanks to Evan Aldo for a charity I'll provide. Jumped headfirst in MC during the May crash 2021 after witnessing Crypto Face live stream. I haven't looked back since. Brian Minnows out there, like risk management is a strategy. And boom! Hell yeah. Thank you guys for posting all that. I appreciate it. Yeah, it does. Daryl, go through the, it's a manual process. If you just follow the steps in the video. Discord is such a Swiss cheese app. We have to have security. But if you follow the steps in the video, you'll be able to get in. Bro, there ain't no Discord link, man. Nah, Whale Crew's really just the Market Cipher Discord now. I haven't really posted many trades in there in the past 2 months. I've put out trades to everyone, you know, for free on YouTube and shit. But people got too addicted to me posting trades in there. There is no average position time. Everyone's different. Depends on the time frame you're playing the trade. On this one, we measured. This one we're looking for this week. It's gonna be a trade we're riding through this week, maybe next week too. Some trades we get in and get out in an hour. Some we get in and out in a day. Everyone's different. Depends on the time frame. I hold the world record for most profitable trade done in one day on the live stream. Held the record for the biggest loss, although I'm pretty sure that Sato Kid broke that one. There is no target, Salim. Depends where the money flows at. We'll see. Maybe 10%. Maybe the next spider line, 10% down. Oops. Oh, fuck. Did we move it on accident? Okay, here we go. This looks like the one. That's a 10%er. What the hell? Did I move my lines? Yeah, whatever. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, maybe 22. The thing is, I don't get held up on targets when you have the money tracked. You know what I'm saying? See, could be lower, could be higher. When the money flow comes down, if it comes down into here, if it starts to curve, that's the prime exit. It depends. Ah, yes, the yellow X disappeared. Manipulation at its finest. What do we say? Pumps and dumps and traps. It's whale play. There's certain times where the market's easier to manipulate than others. Much easier. It is on a discount. They just, I guess the web guy deleted the original price cross slash and just put it on there. People pay $3,000 for the lifetime. It's on sale, trust me. And $1,000 for the year. But I guess they removed the graphic. So I gotta go back down there and kick some heads are gonna roll. Heads are gonna roll. But a code that I know does work is Miss Teen Crypto. And I believe it's 20% off. Yes, anything's possible, yes. I mean, momentum's clipping, the green dot's been there. So yeah, the price moves zigs and zags. It goes up, goes down, up, down, you know. I'm banking in 3-4 days, the price overall, as it goes up and down, up and down, up and down, is going to be lower than it is now. So you guys, you know, I know you're flopping and groping. Everyone's flopping and groping. VWAP's coming up. Momentum is clipping. So you can't be surprised if the price comes up a little bit. That doesn't mean I'm going to skip pennies and sacrifice a cushion position for pennies. You know? You got to know your time frames. That's why you measure. It's a mistake so many people make. That's why I say you got to have multiple accounts. If I'm entering a trade off the 6 hour, you know, you measure it out and you're expecting it to be 3-4 days, you don't get wrapped up in these little moves. And so you have your account with that trade and then have your account where you play the little moves if you want to. You know what I'm saying? We call that flopping and groping. What do you mean? The coupon works for me, bro. What are you talking about? You Miss Teen Crypto, all one word. I just typed it in. It works. You have to type it in and hit apply coupon. Same exact way you typed it. It just took the price from $600 down to $480 for the yearly. It works. Range bound earth shattering stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much how it is, especially as it gets at the tail end. You know what I'm saying? What on the smaller time frames, what were once moves that would you know, would dip in the tiny red and blast off, and dip in the tiny red and blast off. You know, as the amount of money in the pair decreases, it gets weaker. You know, so. But well, if the price came up to my entry, I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised. But we've been streaming for a while, folks. It's been a 4-hour stream. It's coming up to my bedtime. But it's been a pleasure. It is my pleasure to serve and hopefully entertain you. And thank you for your business. And for your communityship. Your kinship. So, I'm going to chill. I don't know. Maybe I'll be on later. But, yeah. You guys have a good rest of your day. Good luck. Yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay. Peace.